Hello guys, in this video, I'm demonstrating some exercises for learning sketching. By consistently practicing these exercises, you will become fully adept at design after a short period, experiencing significant progress in your skills. It's important to note that repeating these exercises daily is highly beneficial, similar to an athlete warming up their body with a few strength training exercises before starting a workout. The second exercise will help you acquire the skills of drawing bushes. One of the most important daily exercises is drawing parallel lines in different directions. These lines are used in most designs. For this reason, a designer's hands must be used to drawing them. But this skill will not be acquired except with a lot of continuous practice. The next exercise is circles with different diameters. This exercise will help you draw different textures easily. This video serves as the introduction to these exercises, and the subsequent parts will be uploaded gradually to the channel. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Also, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments section, as it encourages more people to watch this video and provides me with the motivation to create better content in the future. The exercises presented in this video are very basic. By doing these exercises daily and continuously, your skill in sketching will improve a lot. In the next video, I will sketch new and useful exercises. By the way, don't forget to like this video and send me your comment.